This one mindset shift is going to radically change your business. And if you can take what I teach you today and embrace it and apply it, not only will your business change, not only will you get more clients and give them better results, you're going to be a whole lot happier in your business. You're going to have more fun, and ultimately your life is going to be better. It's going to feel better if you can make this one mindset shift. Now, I will warn you, it's not an easy mindset shift to make, but with the thousands of people that I've worked with, whenever I reveal this to them, they say that it's one of the most profound changes that they've made. So I'm going to share it with you today, and I hope that you are serious and that you take the step and make this shift. So first of all, what is mindset? Because we hear it used all the time, but do we really know what it means? Let's define it very quickly. Your mindset, very simply, is your mental attitude. And it's the attitude that you have that starts in here, starts in your brain, starts with your thoughts. And it creates your mindset. Your mindset is the attitude that you create mentally. It's a collection of beliefs that you have that shape the way you see the world. Your mindset shapes the way you see the outside world. It shapes the way you see your inner world. It shapes the way you see your family and friends, your community, society. It shapes everything about you, your mindset. So it's essential that you focus on your mindset in all areas of your life. I'm here today to talk to you about focusing on your mindset in your business. But ultimately, your mindset shapes the way you see the entire world. It influences your behavior, how you act, how you react, how you respond to situations around you, all come from your mindset. Because your mindset, as a collection of beliefs, shape how you act. They shape your behaviors. And ultimately, they shape your outcomes. Because your mindset originates in your thoughts, turns into your beliefs, and affects your behaviors, which then affect your outcomes. So one small change in your mindset can change everything downstream and can radically change the outcomes that you get in all areas of life, but in particular in your business. Now, your mindset also influences how other people see you. Some people might say it's your energy. And if you ever have someone come up to you and say, "I love your energy," what they're saying is, "I love your mindset." Because your mindset affects all things about you. It's the origin of everything that people see. So when you have the right mindset, people can see that. Now, this works in the other direction as well. If you have a negative mindset, if you have a limited, or what some people call a fixed mindset, that you are where you are and you can't go and improve beyond that, that you're not smart and you can't learn things, that you're fearful and you don't want to take a chance, that you're not willing to bet on yourself, all of those are fixed or negative mindsets. People can see that. And you know who can see that? Your prospects can see it. And a prospect that sees someone with a fixed mindset, that doesn't believe that they can achieve, and your prospect sees this and identifies it in you, even if you don't say a word, that's a person who will never work with you. Because the moment someone perceives that you have a fixed mindset, that you are where you are and you can't improve, you can't learn, you can't grow, they see that. They feel that. It's your energy. No one's going to want to work with you. So, negative Nancy, and pardon me if your name is Nancy and you're not negative, I certainly don't mean to disparage you, but you go right ahead and make this shift today and watch what happens when your prospects observe this and notice this in you. So, back over here, back to the notes. So, the right mindset will help you rapidly grow. When you have a mindset that is one that is not fixed, that is a growth mindset, you can see and identify all areas in which you can grow. The opportunities for growth present themselves to you and you see them, whereas with a fixed mindset, you would completely miss them. But someone with a growth mindset is always looking for those opportunities. An unbalanced mindset will hold you back. When your mindset is flip-flop, or one day you're positive and another day you're negative, that kind of a mindset is going to hinder you and hold you back. It will stop your progress. Because progress happens when you can focus on one thing with the right mindset for a long period of time. But if you have a shifting mindset, you'll never be able to focus for long periods of time, and achievement just won't happen to you. Your mindset also, as your belief in yourself, is demonstrated in your ability to learn and grow and achieve. Because when you believe in yourself and you believe that you can attain and achieve and grow and learn to do anything, it radically changes how you progress and how you grow. Because truly, you can learn to do anything you want to do. The information is there for you to learn. Heck, you're watching this video right now because you want to learn how to do something. And so I'm here to present that to you. And if you've gotten this far in the video, you already have the characteristics of a growth mindset. So that's pretty inspiring to me. And when you have that kind of a growth mindset, it gives you the ability to evolve. You can always evolve yourself. You feel stuck, you feel limited, you feel like something's holding you back. It's okay. You can learn to do anything. You can learn to evolve yourself. And of course, it's going to be challenging. Things are always challenging. If it were easy, everybody would do it, right? We hear that all the time. But finding ways to challenge yourself and finding those successes will change radically your mindset to one of growth and one of abundance, one of progress and one of evolution. Because we are at a very interesting time right now where every human right now can evolve themselves to become anything they wish to be, achieve the most remarkable things. And you can as well. So let me share with you the business mindset shift that I've shared with so many people that has completely turned around how they think about themselves and how they think about their businesses. And it goes a little like this. So there you are right now. You have a business. You have a service or a product. And you started your business with the belief that you are what your business does. You're a health coach, or maybe you're somebody that teaches people how to ride bicycles, or you're someone that helps people with their skin, or maybe you're somebody that helps someone as a personal coach and helps them grow themselves, or you help people grow their businesses. Maybe you're an accountant or a lawyer. No matter what, you are not what your business does. If you started a business to be of service to people, if you started a business to have an impact on people and to profit from that impact and to be happy in what you do, then you are no longer that lawyer or accountant or skincare specialist. You instead are a marketer with a product or service that you deliver. You are someone who markets your legal services, or markets your accounting services, or markets skincare, or markets how to ride a bicycle, or markets helping people with their goals or growing their businesses. That's who you are. You're a marketer with a product that does what you do and what you deliver. And that's a subtle but important mindset shift, because your ability to market is under your control. And the hard message is, until you take control and learn to do the things to market the business that you started, you will only get mediocre results. Yes, there are myriad organizations that are just waiting to tell you they can help you build your things, work on your stuff, do the stuff. But are they really going to do a better job than you, who knows exactly what it is that you deliver, who exactly knows what your clients are, what they think, how they speak, how they respond, the results that they get? Look, I've been doing this for more than 2 decades, and I do the work for my private clients. I help my private clients get it done, but I do it in collaboration with them. Because in isolation, I will never be able to fully understand the fine details of what their delivery looks like. So when I do it with my private clients, I do it in a way where we do it in collaboration. For you, it's time to grow up and take the responsibility that you must take and learn how to become the marketer that has a service or a product that gives an impact to an audience and allows you to profit and ultimately have fun doing it. You are not limited by your education. You are not limited by your abilities, because all of these things are changeable when you have a growth mindset. You can go and learn to do the things to market your product or service. And when you have the mindset shift that you're a marketer and you market legal services, or you're a marketer and you market your ability to teach people how to ride bikes and have a better life, well, that's a big change than when you first started. But when you can embrace that change, it opens up entirely new possibilities for you. When you have this mindset, you can ideate, deploy, test, collect information, refine, and optimize everything that helps your business grow. Is it easy? Absolutely not. Can it be done? Undoubtedly. You can do it, and you can start today with that simple mindset shift. It can be done, and you can do it. For the last 2 decades or more, I've had thousands of people pay me to help them grow their businesses. These are people who are inspired to have an impact on others, and they want to profit doing that and find fun and happiness at the same time. And that's what I help them do. Now, I do it in a way like you might not be used to, but I've seen it happen time and time again, where people are able to learn to do the things to market their businesses. And they become the marketers that have a service. And it's a profound change and a profound shift for them. So let me tell you why this mindset shift matters. This mindset shift matters because it's going to increase your ability to see things that you just don't see right now. You will become more creative. You will innovate. Because when you make this mindset shift, you might not be good at marketing right now. You might be afraid of it. The tech might intimidate you. You might have never done it before. It's all okay. When you do that and when you change to this mindset, you issue a constraint on yourself. And it's through constraints that we're able to innovate. And that innovation is going to open up new possibilities for you. It's going to allow you to solve problems better and faster. Maybe not at first, but over time. Because when you see the same problems popping up again and again, you get really good at solving them. You might create social content that nobody responds to. You might make an offer that doesn't go very well. Heck, you might be like me, and you might build an entire program that takes months of your life that nobody actually wants to buy. That's a true story. And that happened to me back in 2019. Everybody goes through it. You're not alone. Where you will be one of the few who can truly succeed is if you can persist and keep going despite those setbacks. You're going to be able to make better decisions in your business because you're going to have that complete start to finish view when you're able to do this, when you are marketing your service. You're going to be able to make better decisions because you understand the entire flow of a person not knowing who you are to becoming a client and ultimately a promoter. And as you go through that, and as you deal with the setbacks and learn how to problem solve and be creative and work within constraints, it's going to allow you to have a whole new level of resilience. And that resilience is going to work in every part of your life. When you're able to face a problem and say, that's okay, got a problem, it's an opportunity in disguise. We're going to reveal that opportunity and we're going to move towards it. When you're able to do that, your level of resilience everywhere in all areas of your life just gets better and better and better. But I'm concerned about your business. I'm concerned about the results you get your clients, and I'm concerned about how much money you make. And a resilient person is always going to do better than someone who gives up in the face of adversity. And when you're able to do this, you become that expert who is seen as an authority that your prospects can trust. And when you have those three things, your entire business world opens up. The people who are problem aware and solution seeking step out of the shadows, seeking you to solve those problems. And it all comes down to making one mindset shift. You are no longer that service. You are a marketer. You are a marketer who has a service that you deliver. And you're selling that service through your marketing. And if anything that I've said resonates with you and you'd like to brainstorm about what this looks like, because clearly this is a recorded video and this is something that I have to keep high level so that everybody can get something out of it. You're a unique person. You have unique needs. Your business is unique. You'd like to brainstorm and get some ideas on how this can work for you, I'd be delighted to meet with you for a few minutes, ask you some questions, and give you some direct advice on what you can start doing right now to get more clients. And if you visit my website, which is prouty.me, Prouty's my last name, .me, if you go to prouty.me, you will be able to apply to be on my calendar. Now, I can't take everyone. And so if you're going to do this, please have a business and have made a little bit of money, because those are the people that I can help, and I can help quickly. If you don't have a business, you haven't made money, or you're just kind of, fooling around, dabbling, not a lot I can do for you at this moment. So have a business, have made a little bit of money, jump on prouty.me, and I would love to show you how you can start getting more clients fast with this simple mindset shift, and we'll customize it to your unique situation. It's not a sales call in disguise. I probably will tell you about my mastermind, which is awesome, but the reality is I just want to see you win.